Wait till you hear what's going on with Tesla, because the stock is set to join the S&P 500 on December 21st. Normally, that joining would be pretty ho-hum, but not with Tesla because it is so massive now. The Journal detailed the care asset managers and trading desks. Even the S&P itself is taking when it comes to this move because inclusion could easily put more than $100 billion into motion. As things stand, Tesla would be the sixth largest component in the S&P after the big five mega cap tech companies. Its weighting would be so massive from day one. There's a debate over whether to add it all on one day or spread it over 2 days, Mike, or even to spread it out over 2 quarters, which is what MSCI did with China a few years ago. I mean, I understand that S&P's inclusion has been a catalyst for Tesla's latest move higher, but a $500 billion company makes no sense to me.
It's amazing. And the farther the stock goes up before it gets in, the more friction it creates upon entry. Now, the index funds are not just going to sit there and wait and buy every share the day it goes in. There's a way to scale, and there's a way of getting exposure incrementally and trying to be smart about the execution of it. It's not terribly different than 10 plus years ago when Berkshire Hathaway went in at a similar size relative to the total market cap. It was a much less volatile stock, though. It was not something that was going to necessarily get away from the index funds. Now, the thing about Tesla is the stock itself trades an enormous amount of dollar volume every single day. $30 to $40 billion is routine on a one-day basis for Tesla. It's much more about what happens to the rest of the index as we have that push and pull of Tesla getting in.
And that's, John, what people are saying is the fact that it's so liquid should help. But would you apply what you said about trying to figure out Bitcoin to figuring out Tesla's share price?
It's like I'm an old man today yelling, "Get off my lawn." But this scares me. It's like a meteor heading toward the S&P 500. Comparing it to Berkshire Hathaway, it's a little bigger in market cap right now, I think, than Berkshire Hathaway. And it's like the opposite kind of company. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, boring, don't understand technology, kind of, steady as she goes. Tesla's just been on this amazing tear. I defer in all analysis to Mike Santoli. But boy, I mean, even if I'm just holding an S&P 500 index fund, I'm worried about Tesla's effect, much less on Tesla itself.
It's going to be 1% just about of the index. So there you go.
It's a big number, and so we'll wait. We should hear from S&P possibly today or any moment now over how exactly they're going to do this. But stay tuned, everybody, because that's going to be a difficult one, just the maneuvering of it.